where in just a short while from now, the Republic Day celebrations will commence. Well, around 10,000 special guests have been invited to witness the parade this time. These are the live visuals from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where Indian President Draupadi Murmu, along with the chief guest of this year's Republic Day celebrations, Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, they are walking towards the forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. And that's the glimpse of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where you can see the presidents of India and Indonesia. Indian President Draupadi Murmu and Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto, who is the chief guest of the 76th Republic Day celebrations. Well, Subianto is the fourth Indonesian leader invited by India to attend the Republic Day celebrations. Both the presidents are now being escorted as they move to the forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where in just a short while from now, President's bodyguard will escort both the presidents towards the Kartavya Path.
देश की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू उनके साथ इस वर्ष के गणतंत्र दिवस के मेहमान इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो, राष्ट्रपति के सैन्य सचिव मेजर जनरल रंजीत सिंह मनराल, राष्ट्रपति महोदया के ठीक पीछे दाहिनी ओर और बाईं ओर राष्ट्रपति के उप सैन्य सचिव ग्रुप कैप्टन अभय अरुण फनसलकर, राष्ट्रपति महोदया को और मुख्य अतिथि को राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट प्रदान किया जाएगा. President bodyguard.
The President will now be receiving the national salute, accompanied by the chief guest of the Republic Day celebrations, Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto.
And here, let's take a moment to honor the President's bodyguards, one of the most prestigious regiments of the Indian Armed Forces. This elite cavalry unit, steeped in history and tradition, stands as a symbol of honor and pride. And here arrives the historic buggy. Coming back to the President's bodyguards, which is the oldest regiment in the Indian Army, originally known as the Governor General's bodyguards. It has evolved to become the ceremonial and operational unit it is today, with the dual role of ceremonial duties and operational responsibilities. The President's bodyguard is not just a symbol of grandeur, but also of readiness and valor. Dressed in their immaculate ceremonial attire, complete with vibrant turbans, they ride their magnificent steeds with unmatched grace and discipline. Their iconic presence at state ceremonies, including Republic Day, adds to the grandeur of the event.
देश की सेनाओं की सर्वोच्च कमांडर भारत की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू और
Both
इस
the
वर्ष
presidents, President Draupadi Murmu and President Prabowo Subianto, are now being escorted to the Kartavya Path, where the President's bodyguard, which is the senior-most regiment of the Indian Army, that is 252 years old. Now, it carries out mounted ceremonial duties for the President. Now, the buggy on which both the Presidents are sitting has made a comeback after 40 long years. Both the presidents will arrive at the Kartavya Path in this traditional buggy and with the president's bodyguard regiment. What is interesting about this traditional buggy is that it became a part of India's history post-independence based on a toss of a coin.
250 साल पूरे होने का जश्न मनाया था। राष्ट्रपति महोदया का काफिला रवाना हो रहा है राष्ट्रपति भवन के भव्य प्रांगण से। राष्ट्रपति के अंगरक्षकों को राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के साथ पूरी शान के साथ
And both the presidents in the traditional buggy are now proceeding towards the Kartavya Path.
कर्नल अमित बेरवाल अपने घोड़े ग्लोरियस पर मौजूद हैं।
They are being escorted by the President's bodyguard, which is the senior-most regiment of the Indian Army, that is 252 years old since its raising in 1773.
अपने घोड़े लॉन्ग स्ट्राइड पर नायब रिसालदार जितेंद्र कर रहे हैं।
It's a bright sunny day, and these are the live visuals from the Kartavya Path, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with other dignitaries, has arrived at the Kartavya Path. That's the Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh welcoming the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Kartavya Path.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का आगमन हो रहा है। गणतंत्र के 75 वर्ष, संविधान के 75 वर्ष, हमारा गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह और आगमन कर्तव्य पथ पर प्रधानमंत्री
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived at the Kartavya Path. He is being received and welcomed by India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh.
रक्षा राज्य मंत्री सीडीएस और तीनों सेनाओं के अध्यक्षों से
All the tri-services chiefs are welcoming Prime Minister Modi as he arrives at the Kartavya Path for the 76th Republic Day celebrations.
So the saluting base
He is now walking towards the saluting desk
where cabinet ministers, members of
and
parliament,
will also be waiting to welcome the Indian President Draupadi Murmu, who has just left from the Rashtrapati Bhavan towards the Kartavya Path.
he greets people seated on either side, goes up to them, meets them, interacts with them. Republic Day greetings being exchanged. I think it's a special moment for all present. We do vote for our leaders, we elect them, but seeing them up close, well, that doesn't happen very often.
प्रधानमंत्री के आगमन के साथ ही ये समारोह अपने भव्य प्रारंभ के निकट पहुंचता हुआ और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री गणमान्य व्यक्तियों, अपने कैबिनेट सहयोगियों से मिलते हुए, उनका अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए, बहुत ही खास अवसर है। आज गणतंत्र के 75 वर्ष, संविधान के 75 वर्ष और हमारा ये 76वां गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह, दमकते चेहरों पर खुशी, संतोष और गौरव का भाव। ये शब्द पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा के और धुन बनाई है पंडित रविशंकर ने, जो सूचक है इस बात का कि देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति
President Draupadi Murmu's cavalcade and the traditional buggy has arrived at the Kartavya Path along with the Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. She is being escorted. Both the presidents, in fact, are being escorted by the president's bodyguard. And some trivia about this traditional buggy in which both the presidents are being escorted to the Kartavya Path. It became a part of India's history post-independence based on a toss of a coin.
Escorting the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, the President of India, to the saluting base as India celebrates her 76th Republic Day. So extending a warm welcome. The Republic of India extends a very, very warm welcome to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, our chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day celebrations, arriving here along with the President of India.
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोहों पर ये विशेष अवसर देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो।
India and Indonesia, two nations that share millennia-old cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, and a strong treaty of friendship and strategic partnerships. In fact, India and Indonesia's multifaceted partnership stands as a cornerstone of regional security, economic growth and cultural diplomacy, with both nations well positioned to enhance their global outreach. A beautiful day in the capital, and the welcome warmth of the sun echoing the warmth and friendship between the two nations.
भारत ने जब अपना पहला गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया था, तब भी इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति हमारे मुख्य अतिथि थे, और आज 75 वर्ष बाद ये एक सुखद संयोग है कि इंडोनेशिया के ही राष्ट्रपति भारत के इस गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पर मुख्य अतिथि हैं। इस बार का समारोह संविधान के लागू होने के 75 वर्ष पूरे होने पर विशेष फोकस के साथ ही जन भागीदारी भी इस बार के समारोह के केंद्र में है। इस वर्ष समारोह का थीम स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास है।
So as a part of the special invitees, we have a huge delegation from Indonesia, and of course we'll have their band and their marching contingent. And they have some beautiful memories and pictures to take back with them.